So guys, today we are going to be learning how to make this rushed bubu dress. Okay, so fold your fabric into 4 and get the length. I'm using a floral crepe fabric, so make sure you get the length of your fabric and impute the sleeve measurement. You can use 12 or 13 or 14 as the case may be. So I'm making this for a bigger size, so I use 13 inches for my sleeve length, so there will be more space. And for the body, I used 17 on fold. You can use 15 for a normal person if the person does not want it big, but this 17 is still okay on a size 10, 12, depending on how big the person likes their outfit to be. But it is a bubu dress and it is going to have a belt inside, which is going to give it firmness. Okay, so get your measurements, get your neckline. For the neck back, I'll be using 3 by 1 inch deep and 3 inches wide. Okay, then after that you can proceed to cutting out. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly give me a subscribe. It is absolutely free, and please like the video and drop a comment so it can reach more people. Okay, this is going to help grow the channel and support the channel. And yeah, thank you so much for that. So after cutting out, this is what you have, more like the way you cut out your regular bubu. Okay, then you open up the front part and give it your neck design, your neck shape. Okay, so for this I'll be doing a v-neck line, and the depth of my neckline for this is 8 inches. 8 inches because I don't want it too deep for the client. So you cut out your neck shape. V-neck shape is best for this style as it's going to be well defined by the time you ruch the front of the dress. After that, measure whatever you have from the v-neck you cut downwards. This is going to be the length of what you are going to cut and put inside. So place your fabric down and measure 2 inches, 3 inches wide, like this. So this is the fabric you are placing on the fabric to get your rushed design. After that, make sure you cut out the rope. 1 inch wide is okay for the rope design, and you can make it long, maybe the same length with your gown length, or a bit longer or a bit shorter. Okay, so just place it on fold and cut. You can use the same fabric for the rope, or you can use bias. Anything that works for you is fine. Yeah, so after that, just cut out like this. Then proceed to cutting your facing. You'll be cutting a facing for the back part, and you'll be cutting a facing for the front part. Okay, so this facing, you are going to use it to turn the neck of your fabric, and you can use bias. Anything that works for you is fine. Take to your sewing machine. After applying your facing and everything, you can see this is the 3 inches fabric that I have joined. You mark the center point of your fabric, pin it down and join it on the center point like this. After that, the rope that you cut out after folding it, place it on the fabric like this, and you stitch. Make sure you stitch very tight before you proceed into folding the side of these pieces, so that it can give it firmness. You do that for the boats. You do that for the boat rope and your fabric as seen here. So this is what it looks like after joining together. You can see it has that box shape. Then after that, you measure 16 inches or 14 depending on the length of your client and the width of the bust. Then for this place, I'll be using 7 inches wide. This is where we are going to add our inner belt. Cut the inner belt and make it long, like ×2 of your waist circumference on both sides. And that is going to be the length of the belt you are using for the inside. You can see, and it is about 1.5 inches wide, so that it will not be too tight on the client's body. Then you stitch, just stitch it to the line that you've marked. For this measurement, I'm using 16 inches length and 7 inches distance from the center point of my fabric. Okay, so you do that for the both side of this belt, and that is your inner belt. This belt is going to be used to hold the dress firmly to your body. So after you join it together, the next thing you want to do is join your shoulder together and just press the sleeve side and just join the fabric together. Your bubu is ready. It is pretty easy to make, and just make sure you press along the line. Okay, so you can see what we have joined together, and voila, your bubu dress is ready. Tada, see how beautiful it looks. So after that, all you need to do is just to ruch it to the length you want at the front, and it's going to give you this drape. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If it has been helpful, please kindly give me a subscribe, like this video, drop a comment. Thank you for watching.